I'm going to show y'all how to do the puff edge stitch. So this technique can be used for any type of blanket or anything you want to put a edge around. So I have just got like a little granny square here, which would be the same concept if you had a blanket or anything. I'm just using this for size reference. So we'll jump right on into it. It's really not that hard and it makes a pretty finished edge. So to start, we'll just start anywhere here along the side. I'm going to pull me up a loop. So there, okay, so there we'll touch my yarn and there's where we're going to start. So to start it, I will work a half double crochet in that stitch. And what we'll do is you will skip the next stitch and work into the next stitch. I will work a half double crochet and pull through all 3 loops. And now what we're going to do to create that puff, instead of working in the stitch, we're going to work around this post. So we're going to work a half double crochet 3 together, like around this post. So you'll yarn over, go around the post. You have 3 loops on your hook. We'll do that twice more. Yarn over, go around that post, pull up a loop, 5 loops, yarn over, go around, pull it up, 7 loops. So now to do this, you will yarn over, pull through all 7 loops, sometimes it takes a little used to doing it, and there is your first puff edge stitch. So we'll continue, skip the next stitch, half double crochet into the next, pull it through all 3, and then you're going to work around that post. There's 3 loops, there's 5, there's 7, yarn over, pull through all 3. And see how that's starting to look, like the border. So I'm going to keep on going here and we'll do the next one. Pull through, yarn over, 3, 5, 7, yarn over, pull through all 3. So that's pretty simple, and the only other technique you'll need to know is when you get to the corner, how you'll do it is you'll work one in the corner, which this gray square is a chain 2 space. I will work it like it normally goes right here. And the only thing I'll do different is so we can come and go around the corner is I will chain 1 and then I will just work another puff edge stitch like normal. Go round once more. And that's the only thing I've done different, and it'll help us, and you can see how that chain stitch will help curve that over, and we'll go on and do one more so you can kind of see how it moves on again. We'll skip that stitch, go on the next one, half double crochet, 3, there's 5, there's 7, through, and then there we go. So that is how you do the puff edge stitch, and that is how it looks. Isn't that pretty? And be sure and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tutorials for different stitches, and go check out my blog for free crochet.